one and all. Myself Urna. I am from 8th class. They are my teammates. Her name is Y Jessica and her name is R Arundhati. They are from 9th class. So today I am going to tell about rocker bogie. Small introduction about it. All the planets in the universe, life is present only on the Earth. Comparing to all the living organisms which are present on the Earth, human beings are very intelligent. Plants, microorganisms, human beings are arrived on the Earth about 1 lakh years ago. So because of this population increasing, astronauts are searching for favorable environment to move on other planets. The surface of the other planet is up and down due to valleys, hills, large stones, etc. Ordinary vehicles find it very difficult to move on such areas. So to avoid this problem, we made a rover. So that's it. Now she will explain the components of a rover.
The components are used for this rover are 6 DC motors, battery, Arduino board, L298 module, Android interface. Now she will explain mechanism.
The term rocker describes the rocking aspect of the larger links present each side of the suspension system and balance the bogie. As these, the rockers are connected to each other and the vehicle chases through a modified differential. The system bogie refers to the conjoining links that have a drive wheel attached at each end. These bogies are commonly used to bear loadings of army tanks, as it is distributing the load over the terrain. Bogies were also quite commonly used on the trailer of semi-trailer trucks, as that the trucks will also carry much heavier load. Now we will see how it works. These rockers can move on any obstacles like current places, means uneven places. See how it works. It can go on any obstacle. Now she will tell the advantages of this.
Advantages of the rover. The design incorporates independent motors for each wheel. There are no springs or axles to make the design simpler and more reliable. The rocker bogie suspension can withstand a tilt of at least 50 degrees in any direction without overturning, which is the biggest advantage of heavy loaded vehicles. It can move in harsh environment. It can work in place beyond human reach. Rocker bogie consisting of no springs or axles to make the design simpler, which allows the chasers to climb over any obstacles such as rocks, ditches, sands, etc. There are up to double the wheels diameter in size while keeping all the wheels on ground for maximum time.